behalf of Sri Krishnaswamy Matriculation Higher Secondary School, I myself named Sharmila Banu, the class teacher of UKG, welcomes my beautiful tiny toddlers for this bridge course of this year 2021. Very good morning, children. Once again, I welcome you all to this UKG bridge course. So, before beginning our class, let us start with the prayer. Okay, that is the right thing. We should start with the prayer. Now, I am going to say the prayer. You are just going to follow it. First, join your hands and keep it on your chest level and close your eyes. Okay, so shall we start the prayer? Yes. Oh God, I thank you for this lovely day. I offer it back to you. Help me to study well. Bless my father, my mother, my brothers, my sisters, my teachers, and all my friends. Thank you. Now, slowly you open your eyes and put your hands down. Okay, dear children, see, it is about time to come to UKG and I am so excited to see you. We are going to have a wonderful year, that is great time together. Okay, our online classes will be all set up with everything which is very excited and interesting. Okay, we will follow playway method, we will watch different cartoon characters and learn etc. Okay, so are you all ready, children? Yes, let's begin a super kindergarten year, and so let's all start our class. And today, see, I'm going to begin with identification of capital letters and small letters. It's been a long vacation, so let us refresh ourselves what and all we have studied in LKG. Okay, whoever hasn't come to the online classes also, you can follow now. So this bridge course is very, very important. So I will begin with capital and small letters and what are the things that starts with all those particular letters. For example, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Yes. Now I'll share you the video. Just start learning. Now we are going to see capital A, small a. Capital A and small a. A for apple. Yes, we all like apple. Apple is a fruit. It is red in color. Yes. Now A for aeroplane. Yes, you all like aeroplane, right? Yes, you used to travel. Next, capital B and small b. Capital B, small b. B for ball. Yes, we always play with ball. And B for balloons. Yes, just now we welcomed with balloon. Yes, balloons. Different color of balloons. Capital C, small c. C for cat. Meow meow. Yes, you can see in your home. And C for car. What is car? Yes, yellow color car. D, capital D, small d. D for dog. Wow, wow, how it barks. You can see in the streets. And D for doll. Yes, all the girls likes doll to have with them. Play with a doll. Capital E, small e. E for elephant. Yes, it is a very big animal. It is in the forest. And E for egg. Yes, egg you all know. You like egg? Yes, eat egg daily. Capital F, small f. F for fish. You like fish? Yes, very good. F for frog. Have you seen the frog? Yes, it lives in water and land. G, capital G, small g. G for grapes. Grapes is a fruit. It is good for your health. G for giraffe. Yes, it is an animal. It has longest neck. It lives in the forest. H, capital H, small h. H for hen. So you all know hen. Hen lays eggs. You can see in this picture itself. H for horse. Yes, you can see horse in the beach and park, etc. Capital I, small I. I for ice cream. Yes. Do you all love ice cream? Yes, love to eat ice cream. I for ink pot. Yes, it is used to fill the ink in a pen. Capital J, small j. J for jug. Okay, you fill water and keep it on your table to drink. And J for jam. Yes, very yummy, tasty. We apply in bread and eat. Capital K, small k. K for kangaroo. Yes, kangaroo is an animal. It lives in a forest. K for kite. Of course, we love kite and we fly kite. We play with kite in the beach. Capital L, small l. L for lion. Yes, lion, where it lives? It lives in the forest and king of animals. L for lamp. Yes, lamp is a light, table lamp. M, capital M, small m. M for mango. Yes, mango is really very tasty, yellow in color. We all eat mango, right? And M for monkey. Monkey always chatters and very naughty. Capital N, small n. N for notebook. Yes, we used to write in note. N for nose. Yes, touch your nose and you can smell through nose and breathe also. Capital O, small o. O for orange. Yes, orange in orange color. It is a fruit. And O for ox. You can see ox in what? In roads. Farmers use ox for farming. Capital P, small p. P for parrot. Yes, parrot is green in color and it looks very beautiful. It is a bird. And P for pencil. Yes, we are going to hold a pencil and write lot of things. Capital Q, small q. Q for queen. Yes, queen or Rani. Q for queen. And Q for quill. What is quill? Quill is a feather of a bird. Very soft to touch. Capital R, small r. R for rabbit. Rabbit looks what? Very beautiful and runs here and there in the parks. And R for rocket. Okay, rocket goes to space. Capital S, small s. Yes, for snake. Yes, you have seen snake, no? Yes, we should be careful. And S for sun. Very beautiful, bright and yellow color sun. Rises in the morning. Capital T, small t. T for tiger. Yes, it lives in the forest and lives in the den. T for television. Yes, we all have television in our home. We watch daily televisions, right? Capital U, small u. U for umbrella. Yes, umbrella when we do use during rain to protect us. And U for unicycle. You have to play with unicycle. It is very good for your health. Okay, children? Capital V, small v. V for van. Yes, we go to school by van. This is yellow color van. Krishna Swami van. V for violin. Yes, have you all seen violin? It is a musical instrument. Quang, quang. It sounds. Capital W, small w. W for wolf. Wolf is a very cunning animal, lives in the forest. And W for window. Windows, journal. Yes, we have windows in our home. Capital X, small x. X for Xmas tree. Yes, we have Xmas tree decorated in our home during Christmas. Even we decorate and keep it in our school also. And X for X-ray. Yes, when bone is fractured, we take X-ray. Have you all seen the X-ray sheets? Yes. Capital Y, small y. Y for yoga. Yes, it is very important to do yoga. We all will learn yoga from our yoga miss. Okay? And I for yak. Yak is also an animal. Lives in the forest. Izzat. Capital Izzat. Small Izzat. Izzat for zebra. Yes, zebra is an animal, lives in the forest. It has white and black stripes. It looks very beautiful to see. And Izzat for zoo. What is zoo? Have you all been visited to zoo? Yes, all the animals you can see in the zoo. Izzat for zoo. Okay? So dear children, I think you enjoyed and learned watching the video. That is capital A and small a to capital Izzat to small Izzat. Okay, so this is the oral session. So I'll be sending a worksheet, single worksheet with oral and written part. Written part I will send you the next video. So as far as the oral session concerned, you have to match capital letters to the small letters, and you have to circle the proper word that begins with a particular alphabet. So pictures is also given for your help. So do the activities and send me. I will send you the worksheet also.